Hello, this is part 3 of the project Jellyfish, and I did work off camera a little more, and I'll probably work more later on, but I want you to see how I'm gonna proceed to the background and how I'm gonna finish the body. So I'm gonna use my mix, my black mix. I mix my blacks, usually with the colors that I'm using on the painting. It gives color harmony. And I save it and I keep it until it starts smelling bad. That's the time for me to change. So I am gonna start. Yeah, I know, I start right where I think I want. I don't think too much when I'm painting. And again, I'm using only one hand so far. But very soon I am be painting with two hands. It's a bit gluey, this black. And I am pushing the paint on the paper. I'm gonna turn around. The paper is a little lifting the bottom because of I really want the paint to go in to the fiber as much as possible. And I do need some bit of water. I don't want a solid background for those who watched the video with the cup. In that video, I was looking for a very solid background. And it's not the case here. I want to add some rose and some blues. And remember, you can always come back and change and paint again. If you can't paint, I'm gonna change brushes to a number 10 so I can go a little bit faster. Sometimes fast is good, sometimes fast is not good. And not everybody paints the same way. And this paper is 140, so it's buckling a bit on me. Very gently, I'm correcting that little problem that we had before. And already looking better. Let me come back very quickly here. I don't want edges to form while I'm painting. Yeah, I know it's a game of speed. And I'm gonna get the other brush so I can go a little bit faster on the parts that are not so important. these edges. Try to make a little funny. So, and now it's trying to make sure that the paint is not drying where I don't want. And here you can make a very dramatic shapes at the edges and make them really, really interesting. Then you come back quickly and yeah, that's a time that whatever happens, happened, because is you can correct unless you get some white on it. But I'm trying to do something very dramatic and very quick. For those who don't know me, I am a physicist, so I am used to work with both hands in the lab. Surprisingly enough, there are many physicists that are artistic personalities, musicians, painters, writers. I think it comes with the dedication. Okay. I want some drama here, so I'm pretending I'm making those to be loose. I think I like this. I think I will put on the other ones too. Oh, that was bad. I don't know if you caught that, but it happened and now we live with it. There it is. Whatever happens, it happens. Sometimes becomes very interesting. That whatever you want to create drama. Again, creating drama here, making some shapes as if this part were not here. Same thing. we go. I should have planned to do this neon. Would have been interesting. I am gonna drop some blue right here. When I approach the shape, I want a smaller brush. And see, when we put the background, we immediately see parts that we would like to change. I guess the only problem of recording real time and posting it real time is that certain paintings take forever, and I don't necessarily have anything to tell you for the next 2 hours. So at some point I have to cut it. If you notice here, you can see the masking here that I spattered with my toothbrush. So I see you guys later on.